يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي.
ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجاهد بالتي أحسن. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Baga nagayaan arras garachana na kenya kandawa orot dufne jecha arra kaptin isri kawanne dufne wa'i komi shi'arati umma hada mumintota Aisha nagaya fi rahman rabbi sanirratti hajiratu badidan khasan kanju khomi khauf bekhan دكتور ياسر قادي سني خنته بيبي خناجر ولينا حاجة كسنو.
And the Shia say that Aisha radiallahu anha committed zina and they cursed her Sahaba. How can you say they are Muslim?
هذا من توتاتين بديد
This is a very
لجاني
technical issue, but I'll say
أصابات أنيس أبارني
please,
أكملني أتيسان
and this
الإسلام
question must
جتنا
be covered
جاني.
with the brothers. Don't speak in Islam. There's 15 different specialities. My speciality is specifically Aqidah. And Aqidah of the firaq, of the various groups. And my master's, go read it, 800 pages in Arabic, is printed from Riyadh. It's about all the various groups and the development of early Islamic theology. My PhD is also about Islamic theology. And I've loved this topic and I can teach it at the graduate level. I teach it at the master's level to this day. My courses are at the master's level that I do for the Islamic seminary. So please understand, I'm speaking from knowledge. Listen to me carefully. As a default, Shi'ism does not accuse our mother Aisha of this evil and heinous. It is true you will find a lone cleric here and there saying these bizarre things. I agree. But as a default, in terms of their clerics, their books, their scholarly class, this is not something that they accuse our mother of. They might accuse her of other things, that she betrayed the process with Ali. Yes, they say this. She betrayed the cause of Ali. They say this. But this particular accusation of the slander, you understand what I'm talking about? That is not a part of our theology. And I challenge anybody to quote me any of their reputable books and any of their ayatullahs, because they have a hierarchy of scholars. We don't in Sunnism. They have a hierarchy of scholars. They have majlis that appoints ayatullahs. There's ayatullah, something like this. These are the highest authorities in Shi'i 12 Shi'ism. I challenge you to find me. You will find fatwa from them against Abu Bakr and Umar radiallahu anhu. You will find them very angry about the Sahaba. I challenge you to find me from them, not from some random cleric in some small masjid in some island somewhere. No. What if we were to take any Sunni cleric in the world and that is Sunni? No. Don't quote me some random nobody. Quote me their marji'. Quote me their classical books. You will not be able to do so. I challenge you. And if you prove me wrong, I'll be the first to correct this. This is regards to the slander of Aisha radiallahu anha. They do not do this. As for cursing of the Sahaba, listen to me carefully. It is true, as a default, they do. As a default, some amongst them, especially in the last 50 years, have withdrawn this and they've attempted to make a change. And they said this should not be done because it invokes the sentiments for no reason. We disagree, but we shouldn't curse them. And this is a positive development, we should encourage it. And some of the main maraji', including Al-Khuwi of Iraq, actually gave a fatwa to his followers. So we should acknowledge that there is some change going on here, but as a default, they do have this belief and understanding. And without a doubt, this is something that is bid'ah. It is wrong. It is a sin to hold this belief. Is it kufr? And this is where the majority of our scholars, the vast majority, disagree with the Sahaba. And to say they're making a mistake, or even to say that they disobeyed the Prophet in this issue, we say this is a very major heresy, bid'ah. It is a stepping stone to much greater evil. But, and this is not a justification, guys, understand, As I said multiple times, I am very much Sunni. And I say for the record,
أنا سني ده
I'm trying to not create civil war and tension, and I'm trying to bring the groups together. Yes, still, I have publicly said, I don't want the two masjids to merge together into one. And I publicly said, I would not feel comfortable praying behind somebody who curses the Sahaba. So please understand, I'm not some type of political and joining hands and singing kumbaya. That's not what I'm doing here. I understand this is a very serious innovation. At the same time, this is with all the caveats. Put yourself in their shoes. Why are they angry at the Sahaba? From their perspective, they believe ilm al-yaqeen that the Prophet said Ali radiallahu anhu should be the next.
إذا وني بيغن علين جيسا دوات جاني أمانًا
رسولاتي. And they believe after his death, the Sahaba wanted power for themselves and they disobeyed Rasulullah. That's why they're angry with them. Again, please don't misquote me. I don't agree with their analysis. But put yourself in their shoes. Why are they angry? They are angry because in their worldview, these Sahaba, when we say the Sahaba, we mean the ones we know by name. Actually, they have a group, Al-Miqdad and Ammar ibn Yasir and others, they say these are the actual Sahaba. They like a certain group, and they say these are the Sahaba that we think Shi'atu Ali. And the ones that we respect, Abu Bakr and Umar and Uthman, they say they disobeyed Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. That's why we are angry. Now, in some bizarre way, their anger is coming from their understanding of loving the Prophet all these caveats here. When you talk about this topic, it'll get very sensitive. Do you understand what I'm saying here? From their perspective, the anger is because how dare you go against what the Prophet said. Do you understand this point? So on the day of judgment, we leave the affair to Allah. Incorrect. It is a heresy. We must love Allah and His Messenger and the Sahaba, all of them, radiallahu anhum wa radu anhum. And in particular, Abu Bakr and Umar radiallahu anhum, and Uthman and Ali, all of them, we love them with a special love. But whoever has a different understanding of history, we leave their prayer to Allah. And in this world, we say, you have your masjid, you have our masjid. That's about it. I'm not even calling for unity between Shia and Sunni. Okay.
egaa wanni kana isinii beektoota gurguddaa sunii finnee isinii dhiyeessine waan tokko tokko qabatama hin qabne namoota beekumsa guutuu hin qabnee fi amantii islaamaa bakka hin buune waan jaamu lafaa kaasuudhaan waan hadisa da'iifa kasuniti isaa ta'uu khashiyaa fuudhuudhaan garee islaamaa lamaan irratti keessumattuu karaa shi'aa irratti akka isaan baaxilitti wanni ka'aa jiru irra guddaan isaanii sirrii akka hin taane dubbatamaa jira jechuudha. Kanaafuu yaa ilmaan ayyaa kuni dogongoraas ta'uu danda'a, beekaatiis dalagamuu danda'a. Kanaafuu rasuulli akkuma jaanitti badiin hundinuu ilma namaa irratti jaalala addunyaa irraa ka'uudhaan kan dalagamtu waan ta'eef garuu nuti nama keenya wanni jennu bal'annee garaa bal'annee sammuu keenya bal'isnee beekumsaan akka Dr. Yaasir Qaadii jedhetti ani waniin oduu isinii odeessu jiru beekumsa irra dhaabbadheeti hawwii irra dhaabbadhee isinii odeessutti hin jiru waan hin baradhe amata dheeraa waan hin baradhe irraa hin siyaasawaa isinii haasawaa jechuu jira. Kanaafuu nutis waan dhageenyu kana kabitaa mirgaa kana obsaan dhageenye karaa haqaa osoo qiyaamaan teenye hin geenye qiyaamaan namutu addunyaa tanarra deemuun keenya lolu bakka ittiin hofollu bakka itti salphannu san osoo hin geenye arraan tana wal jaalanna wajjiin jiraanna ijoollee wajji qabna obboleeyyan wajji qabna. Kanaafuu haqa waliin haa barbaannu baaxil eessa jira ummanni kun tokko ونمان تنبرنشا جروه إركانا في إيمانا في إحسان التقري لجوتو تقوكتاني في إحسان لجوتو ربي في رسولتي ربي خأبدمو رسولي إرقما ربي خدماته قرآن ربي خهجي رمنتو قرر لجوتو أكا أمنتو يرو دان وانو لماو تقر قد الدنيا في سينار را حديث را إسان را أركن سني دبرسا جريجو بلين كينياف خنافو أما اللي إسن اللين تتافي قولودان رسول صلى الله عليه وآله علمين للا في نيررتو فردي أكته في أمنتين كينيا بكم سان كان جنجي فممالي كلمة دكانان أوفن وان انتانف إفيفور نقد قويا آخرا وان تيف نقد نملي نقدو بكم سقواتشو وان قبوف خناف ولي دبر سنم خوني خيري وليادو دم خنافو انقوان أمة خيني خنافي متي خبراتي فو المان نمال هندافو نمني أزابة حوو هنجر وان تيف كانولي دبر سنم خنافو خرابراتي تنونوبتيناتي ولنوبنو akkasitti mee addaanaa baafannuuf waan dur dhageenye san dhiisne karaa dhugaatitti waan amma teknooloojiinis guddatee alamninis bakka takka dacha'ee informeeshiniin hundinuu nu harka jiruuf qur'aaninis hadisninis seenaan islaamaatis tafsirinis waan nu harka jiruuf nu hundinuu haa tattaafannuu haa laalluu maalii wanni kijiba dila kana wanni deemuun kun maalii fi خيسافو نما أمنتي لمان جدوتي خخنا أوف هون أنيو جنة كوا أدبا فتشرو رجريتشو أمة جدو ركون تكنجرو بيخا غري لچو خيسلي ونخل خجرو انفقات نما برا نما فايدة كبوتو تو وان كان ديم فهوري ملتا يچو خنافو نما فايدة ديمو فايدة الدنيا تيف أمة لمان الدان ريبوت خنجراني في وانا كنا أوف وان تيف سرت مي هايلالو كس اسنين جنة
ربين سبحانه وتعالى قرآن ساخيست إن جاءكم فاسقون بنبأ فتبينوا جاتشونا كجرو بيني نمني توكو كلمة لفاخي خجب وان فيدي وصو أدان بافتين دبر سورة كيف إنو وليف داما إيغا شيئان محمد رسول الله جاني قرآن التنمنني إنسان أريد ربي جاني خنون دينو خجبته دمان تنقا علماء تبسوني ترى دقو جرية خنا سوبدا خنا فوسو تمي سرتي حقرانو ججو دام سيسنف دامو برباني چورم ربين قرآن تيس ما سلككم في سكر قالوا لم نكن من المصلين ولم نكن نطعم المسكين وكنا نكاد مع الكائدين وكنا نكذب بيوم الدين حتى أتاني اليقين جاجا چودم ويا قياما ورّا ibidda seenu san maaltu isin naqe jennaan barnuti salaatan salaannu sadaqaan kannannu warra kijibu wajjin kijibaa baanee bar kan ja'u qur'aana keessatti kanuma waliin quba qabnu jechuudha kanaafuu yaa ilmaan ayyaa kijibni islaamarraa waan hin bareenneef haa ilaalloo ka ja'u dhaamsa isinii dabarsaa
qabxii har'a isinii dhiyeessine خنومان تمرة السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته